So good day everyone, I'm Julene Aparelia from BEd2 and I'm sharing you a video about how to foster green growth and address climate change. So better watch out. Thank you.
Ways on how to preserve our environment. First, avoid single use of plastic. Do you know that there is 6.3 billion metric tons has become plastic waste?
By avoiding the single use of plastic, we can lessen the plastic waste we produce.
Second, plant trees.
Trees give us shelter, trees reduce carbon emission, trees give us food, trees provide oxygen. Those are the things only plant and trees can do. That is crucial for animal and human survival. If you value your life, then plant trees.
Third, help clean the environment.
Be responsible in your garbages. Next, challenge yourself to be vegetarian. Avoid too much eating of meat. Do you know that livestock and their byproducts also make up more than half of the world's greenhouse gas emissions? Being vegetarian is a win-to-win situation. You can make your life healthy while helping the environment and fighting against global warming. I hope you learned something. That's all. Thank you.